Hi YouTube family. If you are in the early stage of starting businesses or launching an online store, you will want to stick around because today we will be showing you step by step how you can get a free trial from Shopify to get started. Just head down to the description below and you will find a link for a free 3 trial day. When the trial period is up, you can enjoy 3 additional months of Shopify services for just $1 each. It's the best deal out there right now. So don't miss out. Head down to Shopify, type in your email and click start free trial. Once you have done all that, you will have to answer some brief questions about the any experiences you might have with building a website. Not a worry if you don't, as Shopify makes the process simple for you, and you will get the hang. It's really fast for those already selling products online or in person. You can click on the options to migrate your site on Shopify, but you are just getting starting, you can let them know and then click next now. Think about their you want your products to be sold. If you are thinking strictly online, check this option which will set up your account for creating your own e-commerce website. If you have a go to any existing website or blog, Shopify can help you add a buy button. If you are looking to sell on platform like eBay, Amazon or Google, you should check the online marketplace option. Shopify can integrate with them, allowing you to add your store across the different platforms. If you are not quite sure about all this yet, that okay, you can always visit these options later on in Shopify dashboard. On the flip side, if you are running a brick and mortar store or a pop-up market or something similar, select that box. If you have planning to sign your store with Facebook and Instagram shops on their social media channels, make sure to check that option. So to Shopify will then add all this necessary integration to your accounts. You can work them seamlessly. Once that done, hit the next button again. Now consider that digital products and services. If you are unsure about what to sell, you can always to do some research to explore Shopify app integrations like apps Singer or Autodesk, which help you find product to sell. I have personally sold products I have made before, but recently I have been trying and hand at dropshipping. If you are about dropshipping and want to be learn more, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We regularly post new videos or dropshipping to help you long after setting up your store. Shopify will generate your new account and you will see the Shopify dashboard from there. You can click on select a plan based on your data. Shopify will suggest a plan tailored to your specific needs. For example, if you are forcing or direct face-to-face sales, the retail plan might work for you as includes a point for sale options. However, if you are starting going to the basic plan, as it's cover all the essential for building and expanding your online store. In my case, if I choose the basic plan, once you make your selections, you will to taken to the payments. We will enter your payment information. You can choose to pay annually or monthly, with rates varying slightly depending on your choice. After adding your payment details, all that left, it's easy to subscribe. Once completed, you will be taken back to the Shopify dashboard.